Well, everybody, take a look. It's 5 boxes on their way to the Philippines to some much needed clothing, food, and supplies for poor families and kids. They should get a real treat out of these 4 boxes. They'll be shipped out. Our shipper's coming to get them tomorrow. And it'll probably take a couple of months to get there, so feel free. If you got items, clothing, canned goods, funds, anything you want to donate to feed healthy, to make healthy kids smile. Well, we're gonna hopefully give them some items that'll help them be healthy. Healthy, they need food. Without food, they can't get healthy. Hey, feel free, drop me a line.
Salamat. 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 Ay, tatlo pala yan. Only to okay. Wait lang. Only okay. Putol.
Yummy? Yummy? Sabihin ninyo, maraming salamat sa Pringles. Sabi nyo nga.
Maraming salamat sa Pringles.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay na. Thank you daw.
Thank you po sa chocolate. Thank you. Thank you po.
Ayan. Na-appreciate nila yung chocolate. Thank you sa sponsor for the chocolate. Okay. Dito ka. You're welcome. Magano tapita ka? Apita ka. Alasur ko may pita. Sarag tumipunas di ay, Sister Mareng. Hello. Good afternoon. This is the house of Mr. and Mrs. Marina. Ang tingaranan na sa'yo? Mr. and Mrs. Palaganas. They lived in this house. This is their kitchen. Nice kitchen. And this is their small house. Itermitan si Ricky Daroyo, Sister Jo.
Palpali ka salamat. Ayunis yung tanan. Oh, salamat sa Diyos.
Teriya kindaay, dilata. Sa kaya doran dilata tan sa kaya.
Salamat.
Doran kin atay oats. Yan, ulam niyo mamaya. That's your viand later.
Ang ganda man ni sister. Ay da siguro. Ada naman irami. Gara ba?
On.
Pater oats yan.
Atay oats.
Jawantan.
Oh, tanila ulo dyan ni Danong. Oh, si Kuya Uding mo tanay, bali-bali.
Wow.
Picture na kayo.
Wow. Isulong niyo.
Hindi ko nuwari, tapi picture na kayo. Isulong mo.
Isulong niyo mo.
Nanganangayo. Wow. Happy sila. Wow.
Baliktad niya mo. Ah, hindi.
Doga.
Wow. They don't feel cold now. Thank you so much for the sweater. Thank you so much for the
Balbalo ka, salamat. Ay, salamat din.
Mano yun?
This is the house of Mr. and Mrs. Larry Pukis. House of Mr. and Mrs. Bautista.
Sila mo, oy.
Jala.
Yun namin.
This is the house of Mr. and Mrs. Bautista. Mario Bautista.
Salamat po. Thank you po sa binigay nyo.
Richel. Tao po, Richel. Hi. Good evening. Pasok kami This is the house.
Ito si Lire.
Kulang ng liri balit
Di na may sikin.
One of the indigent family here in Barangay Alay.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Tatay ng Cheryl.
On.
Ay, manaya.
Ano yung bumiyaya kinay.
Ay, pali-bali abong nyo.
Yan kayo sa picture.
Tawalay, mulagya pa ng arumin para si kayo. This is the house of Mr. Kapitle.
Ricardo may nga rin yun. Ay, Fernando. Pamilitan mo so. Towers. Wala mo so. Sumili na si kayo. Yan mo naning nang may gwapo.
Aba. Wow.
Kayo mana? Kayo.
Okay.
Thank you. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
You're welcome.
Thank you po sa nagbigay.